How do I fix performance lag in complex Adobe XD prototypes? Imagine working on a detailed prototype and suddenly everything slows down. It can be frustrating, right? If your Adobe XD projects are feeling sluggish, don't worry. There are simple ways to make your prototypes run smoother and faster. First, think about your project size. Large projects with many artboards, components, and interactions can slow down Adobe XD. To fix this, split your project into smaller files. For example, keep mobile screens separate from desktop ones. Group related screens together. This reduces the load on Adobe XD and helps it stay responsive. Next, use component libraries. Store reusable elements like buttons or menus in separate files and publish them as libraries. Link these in your main files instead of copying assets. This keeps your files smaller and makes updates easier. When you change a component in the library, it updates everywhere, saving time and reducing file size. It's also a good idea to limit the number of files open at once. Close files you're not working on. Restart Adobe XD or your computer regularly. This frees up memory and CPU power, which are vital for smooth performance. Animations and interactions can cause lag if they are too complex. Simplify your animations by reducing the number of animated elements or easing the timing. Avoid creating overly large or many animated objects on one screen. Keep interactions straightforward to improve responsiveness. Organize your layers and artboards carefully. Remove hidden or unused layers and delete unnecessary artboards. This reduces the rendering work Adobe XD has to do. Also, be cautious with cloud files. They autosave often, which can slow things down. Save your work locally when possible and sync less frequently. Check your system resources. Adobe XD uses a lot of RAM and CPU power, especially with big projects. If your computer is older or running many programs, close other demanding apps or consider upgrading hardware. Plugins can help automate tasks, but using too many at once can slow down your workflow. Use only the necessary plugins and disable or remove those you don't need. When previewing your prototype, close the preview window when you're done. Keeping it open can consume extra resources. Always keep Adobe XD updated to the latest version. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can help your prototypes run better. By following these steps, you can reduce lag and make your complex prototypes more responsive. This way, your design process becomes more efficient and enjoyable. Managing project size, system resources, and interactions carefully will help you master Adobe XD with ease.